Okay, we are here in my messy table, and what we're doing, we are making the paintball gun assembly for my car. I 3D printed all those parts. We have the video showing what we're doing, and right now what I need to do is remove the this is going to be the CO2 container receiver. I need to remove it out because I'm going to put it sideways, and then it will prevent limitation on whatever size I want for the container. I can go with whatever size container I want, and actually it will be a very good thing that I'm doing, because then I can actually put a huge container on the vehicle itself, making the part really light and moving very easily. Okay, we're gonna remove those, but I'm gonna keep the screws here just for future use. Okay, this is one. Now we have to start shutting things back. I'm gonna start with the back over here where we have the servo mounted. That's gonna adjust it